on, guys and girls? I'm on my way to Holiday, Tennessee. Going down there and take a couple of my 20 to 30-year-old CB radios. See if they can be repaired.
Route recalculation. Now turn right. Route recalculation. Drive 15 miles.
Well, that was fun. Neat guy. Chuck. Actual Chuck. Used to ride dirt bikes back in the day. And it's a lot younger than he says he is. But man, he is good. Very attentive. Very knowledgeable. Neat little radio shop. A lot of good stuff in there to look at. A lot of good stuff to possibly buy, but I didn't want to buy too much today. Yeah, I got both radios fixed, tuned up. They're ready to go. Now I just got to get them installed. I'm going to put one of them in my urban assault vehicle. The other one I'm going to install them in the house as a base station for now. Install a bug out trailer for a base station.